nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day number 3 of this smoky eye tutorial thing, and today's smoky eye is going to be a fall one, so it is going to be an orange. Well, orange, a little red, well, like a red orange, but anyway. So I'm going to be using 4 different palettes. BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil, not Take Me Back to Brazil, they're different. Morphe 35OS, ColourPop Soul, not Mar, Soul, and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette. I'm going to be using these 4 palettes. Maybe not the BH Cosmetics, we'll see. I'm going to be using these 4 palettes, or 3 palettes, to create an orange smoky eye. So, enough talking, let's get into it. So to start things off, I'm going to go into the ColourPop Soul palette, and I'm going to take the shade, again, because the names are backwards, New Digs, which is this one here. I'm going to take this shade and just put it all on my lid to cover the concealer that is currently there. On the same fluffy brush that I just used, I just cleaned it off. Now I'm going to go into the Androgyny palette, into the shade Charm, and I'm going to put it right directly on top of the shade that I just used from the ColourPop, so New Digs. I'm going to put this directly on top, but not all over the lid, just like above the crease area, like up here. Next, I'm going to go into my Morphe 35OS palette. I'm going to go into this shade here, which is like a tangerine shimmer shade. So if you don't know what a tangerine is, a baby orange tangerine shimmer shade. And I'm going to put that on top of Charmed, and like that, in that order, using another mermaid tail brush, but this time it's like this shape. I don't know what you'd call this. It's like round tip, like it goes to a, I don't want to say point, but almost pointed, a little bit like an oval without the bottom part, like an egg almost. Anyway. Now I'm going to go back into the Soul palette because I don't need the BH Cosmetics palette like I thought I would, because there's an orange in here that's the same as that one. So, without blinding you guys, I'm first going to take this shade here, which is Motel, and then I'm going to take the shade Ooh, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came with my Prism palette. If you have this brush, highly recommend using it to blend out any dark shades where you want them to look smoky, because this end is a godsend. I love it so much. I use it anytime I'm doing a smoky eye, and it's just amazing. So, yeah. And so far as the lid is done, I'm going to go off camera right now and do foundation and concealer and contour. Well, nose and forehead, of course. And then I'm going to come back and brow bone, highlight, inner corner, and lower lash line. I'm going to use both the Soul and the More palette. I'm going to use the More palette first. I'm going to go into the shade, what's the name of this shade? Gridlock, which is this blue shimmer shade here. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line first. Now we're going to go into the Soul palette, and I'm going to take this shade, Unwind, no, Floaties, sorry, Floaties, which is this shade, by the way. On the back of here, it says, the little shades with an asterisk are not as safe, therefore, read your stuff before you put it on your face. I'm still going to put this near my eye, but just saying, it does say that on here, just in case anybody has a problem, tries to blame ColourPop for something. Just saying. Now I'm going to lightly go into that shade Floaties and use that as my brow bone highlight. I know that's weird, but it's what I'm about to do. It's actually not too bad. Looks a little pink, which is strange, but I think it's blending in with the concealer. But it looks a little pink, but I kind of like it. I like that, but I don't know if you can see it on camera, but in this mirror, it looks pink. But I think it's blending with my concealer that is under my brow. But in this mirror, it looks pink. I'm gonna bring it more here this way. Do that on this side too. By the way, this is a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe B70 brush. And I always use this to highlight my brow bone and under my brow, like so. Now I was going to save this until I film the entire unboxing video. But I'm going to use it now. Or actually, you know what? I will save it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm just going to put it, I'm actually going to go off camera, put it on my lips, and then come back with a finished look. Do it that way. And this is the finished look. I did add glitter, but I'm not going to tell you the glitter that I used because that video is coming later, as well as this lip. The video is coming later. But anyway, this is the finished look, and I like it. I don't know how I feel about this shirt with this look. I might be changing my top, but it's cold outside, and this sweatshirt is kind of cool. Shout out to Brianna. It's like a sweatshirt, but it's also like denim shirt. It's like 2-in-1, and it has a pocket. I can put my phone. Like, it's like big as heck. I feel like a bird. I'm a bird. But yeah, my hair is still wet. When is your hair not wet? It's always wet. That sounded gross. Ew. Okay. This is a finished look. I like it. I like this look paired with this lip. I was gonna do ColourPop lip, the shade Ziggy, which is one of their lippy sticks, but I decided to go with this one because I like it and I wanted to see what it looked like on me. So later I'm gonna do a video, still with this look, because the products that I use on my face are a part of that look. I mean, are part of that bundle thing, box, unboxing haul, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to keep this look on. Probably, of course, I'm going to touch it up because I know once I finish work, it's not going to look like this no more. What was I going to say? I was going to say something and I forgot. Oh, I like this look though. So be prepared for another video. You're going to see this face again. Maybe not this shirt. I love this shirt, but I don't know. I just feel weird. Like, I think I lost too much weight because now it just looks really huge. I think I could put another person in here if I wanted to. And my hair is still wet, so I'm kind of cold. So I think I'm just actually keep the sweatshirt on. Okay, Indecisive Nikki, hi. That's it for this video. I will see you guys later. I am going to be filming my haul, unboxing, swatch party, first impressions type deal, because some of the stuff on my face is first impressions. So I'm going to see how some of this stuff holds up for the next 8 hours and then film at night and everything. And my friend fixed my ring light, so it's gonna be bright too. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you all tomorrow / later. Bye.